Hi, I'm Bill Seith, owner of Neptune Clean. We specialize in soft washing exterior surfaces for homes and businesses. Now, we remove the organic stains that ruin your home's appearance. We're experts in residential and commercial exterior cleaning, and our cleaning process ensures that soap seeps into every crevice and pore of your home's exterior to bring back its natural curb appeal. Now, here's 3 reasons to choose us. We do more with less, saving precious water resources. We do no harm to the property and the environment, as we use only biodegradable cleaning solutions applied under low pressure. We do a great job that will last 4 to 5 times longer than bleach and water alone. Now, here's how it works. Soft washing has been around for a long time, and major innovations in equipment and cleaning solutions have reduced application time and significantly improved results. Now, it involves applying a cleaning solution with a minimum of pressure to clean asphalt shingles on roofs, vinyl siding, wood decks and fences, paver and brick patios, cement driveways, and much more. If you'd like an instant quote using our bidding software, click the link at the top of this page, or hey, just give us a call and we'll get a quote out to you right away.